Guys, real quick before this video starts, if you have not seen the latest giveaway from my other brand, Horsepower Sweepstakes, let me just give you a little sneak peek. Check it freaking out. So here's the deal. We are missing one part. The Holley System Max intake is back ordered until the 27th. It is ordered. It will be here as soon as it gets back in stock from Holley. But this is what you get, guys. AFR 185 aluminum heads for small block Ford. Vortech Supercharger. Yeah, all brand new, ready to go. And of course the Anderson matched Supercharger cam, and of course the Holley System Max intake, which will be the powder coated black, super sinister look. But guys, this is the new Horsepower Sweepstakes. Hit the link below, grab your key tag. You are automatically entered to win this entire kit. It's not just one, it's all four. Head over there, grab your entry. It's a limited time. Don't miss out. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Guys, it's 30 degrees, but Dover and I stole Alex's car and we're swapping the wheels. So we think it's gonna be pretty freaking epic. It is 30 degrees, so you might see some runnage out of the nose, but it'll be all right. Anyway, let's check this out. All right, guys, so if you remember, the Cobra was sitting here and it had a set of Rovos. Yes, they're dirty. It's been raining and all that. But Alex's car had the Celine wheels on it. And we're just not digging the chrome. So we're pulling the old Swapperoonie here. And we'll put the Rovos on. We'll clean them up so they'll look a little better. Yeah, we got to get jacked up. But anyway, yeah. We're going to totally pimp Alex's new coupe today. All right. Full reveal. God bless. And guys, the camera is not gonna do the 315 888 or 888s on the back. What do you think, Alex? He didn't think we'd do it because it was 30 degrees out here.
That's what it needed.
Man, all that blackness. All right, let's get around and show the other side. That is just pure nasty. Yeah, look how thick that rear end is, boys. God, that looks freaking great. I know the camera's not going to do it justice, but you can see how freaking meaty that is. And the cool thing is, like, they're right even. Like, if I go up even, they're right at it. But God almighty, camera does not do that justice. Alright, boys, so we're officially frozen. Gonna head inside the shop. I got a couple updates on Project Frostbite, and I need some coffee or something. Yeah, y'all, winter has hit. Alright, boys, so work has begun on Frostbite's engine. Got her kind of cleaned up a little bit, but got some new parts flying in. Brand new oil pan, valve cover gaskets, all that. I had the brand new set of headers. Alex stole them from me, so I got to order another one of these. But guys, check LMR on these headers. We've used these 4 different times. These are 160 bucks on LMR, and the BBKs, which are the next cheapest, are like 360. And these are stainless, so you're not gonna have flake and chrome. Like I said, we've used them 3-4 different times, had no issues, so definitely save yourself some money. I know you guys been asking about the wild looking Celine here. Just doing some minor stuff to it, but it is supercharged. save the quarter windows. Neat ride. Imagine it'll scoot. Oh, 3 valve. All right, guys, real quick update on the Marketplace Find 93 GT. We're waiting to kind of decide what we're going to do with the engine. If you caught the video last week, we went ahead and pulled the heads off and everything like that. So not 100% sure what we're going to do with this thing. Dover even talked about painting it, which it wouldn't hurt. I mean, it's got nice black interior. Don't know yet. All right, boys, one more update. We are still waiting on the drive shaft for Adam's truck. We should have the first fire of Adam's Coyote swapped and Roush supercharged F-150 Harley Davidson. Stay tuned for that. You're not gonna want to miss that. Projects everywhere, boys, but dude, just like, still can't get over this. All that meat, y'all. Freaking epic. So there you go, guys. That is what is up right now. We got a whole lot of stuff working. Just trying to get parts in and just do stuff as we can. I know some stuff has to sit. That's just a sign of the times, waiting on parts and funds and all that. But always gonna have something fresh, something epic for you. And we're working hard like an ugly stripper. So if you enjoyed this one, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Catch you on the next one.